Let's go to page 246 and start with number 1. Okay, so you have x plus 1 times x plus 4. So when you're doing the multiplication, you just use a FOIL method. So this multiply, so that's f. The first term should be x squared, then o, so plus 4x. Once you're done with the first term, you go to the second term. So I would be 1x, the L would be plus 4. Okay, and then after that, you can combine the like terms. So you're going to have x squared plus 5x plus 4. Okay. Okay, number 3, you have a plus 5 times a plus 2. Okay, so you can distribution, so multiply, you're going to get a squared, multiply, you get plus 2a, so that's the f, o, then do the I, so plus 5a, and L, plus 10. Then after that, combine the like terms, combine the o and the I, so you get a squared plus 7a plus 10. Okay, number 5, you have m minus 4 times m plus 2. So you can distribute. So this is the f, the first term. So you get m squared. Then do the outside term, the o, plus 2m. And then do the I, so minus 4m, and do the L. So basically use the first term, go and distribute, and second term, distribute. Okay, so minus 8. And this will give you, so again, this combine the like terms. So give you m squared minus 2m minus 8. Number 7, you have 8 minus 8 plus y times 9 minus y. Okay, so you can distribute. So this is equal to 72. Distribute minus 8y. Then distribute plus 9y. Distribute minus y squared. Okay. And after that, combine the like terms. So you get 72 plus y minus y squared. Okay. Okay, let's go to number 9. You have x plus 2, x minus 2. Okay, so you got to recognize that this is a conjugate. Okay, so this is the sum and the difference. So when you multiply, you just go and use the f and l. The o and I is going to cancel out, so just multiply the corresponding part. So x times x will give you x squared, plus times minus will be minus, 2 times 2 will give you 4, okay, and that's it. So again, you only do this if they are conjugates, okay? Only if one is sum and one is difference. Okay, number 11. You have h minus 6. You have h plus 6. Okay, so again, this is a conjugate. So when you multiply, you just do the f and l. So just h times h, you get h squared. Minus times plus give you minus. 6 times 6 is 36. Okay, so just multiply each matching part when you have the conjugate. Again, you only can do that with a conjugate. If it's not a conjugate, you have to use a FOIL method and FOIL it out. Okay, then you have a plus 4 squared. Okay, so this is the perfect squares. So you go and square this. So a squared give you a squared, and you square, so plus square give you plus, and 4 squared give you 16. So you square each part, then you're going to have the middle term. The middle term came from o and I, because o and I will be the same, so you're going to get 2 of the same thing. So basically just 2 times this inside. So when you multiply it first, you take care of the sign, so it'll be plus, and the number would be 2 times 4 would be 8, and the alphabet would be 8, A, and that's it. Okay, so square each part and times all this together to get the middle. Okay, 15. So you got x plus 3 squared. Okay, so you can, from here you're going to get x squared. From this you're going to get plus. From this you're going to get 9. In the middle term, the sign is plus. Number is 2 times 3 is 6. Alphabet is x. Okay. So again, when you multiply, you do the sign, the number, the alphabet. Okay. Okay, 17. You have 4 minus b squared. So again, you square this, you get 16. You square that, you get plus. Square that, you get b squared. Okay? And the middle term, multiply everything together. So sign is negative. The number is 2 times 4 is 8. Alphabet is b. Okay? Okay, number 19. You have 3x plus 4. You got 2x minus 5. Okay, so this one is not a special multiplication, so just use FOIL method. So this is the first term. So this will give you 6x squared. And then this one will give you minus 15x. So this is the f, the o, then the I, the inside term, plus ax, and the L would be minus 20. And you combine the like terms. So this is equal to 6x squared minus 7x minus 20. Okay. Next one, number 21. We have 2x minus 3y. You got 2x plus 3y. Okay, so again, this is a conjugate. Okay, conjugate is everything the same except one is plus, one is minus. So again, when you have conjugate, you just multiply the matching part. So 2 times 2 will give you 4. X times x will give you x squared. Minus times plus will give you minus. 3 times 3 will give you 9. Y times y will be y squared. And that's it. Okay? So a conjugate is very nice. Okay? Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, 23. You have 2a plus 5b times a plus b. Okay, so that's just going to FOIL it out. So that's the first term. So it'd be 2a squared. And this times it would be plus 2ab. And this times it would be plus 5ab. And this one times this would be plus 5b squared. Then after that, combine the like terms. So you're going to get 2a squared plus 7ab plus 5b squared. Okay. Okay, 25. You have 4x minus y times 2x plus 7y. Okay, so this is not a special product, so you just have to use FOIL method. Okay, so the first terms would be 8x squared. The outside term would be plus 28xy. And the inside term would be minus 2xy. And the last term would be minus 7y squared. And you combine the like terms, the o and I. So you're going to get 8x squared plus 26xy minus 7y squared. Okay. Okay, 27. You have 7x minus 10y. You have 7x minus 10y. Okay, this is actually the perfect square, but they kind of write it out. So this is not a conjugate. So you have to use a FOIL method, just FOIL it out. So this would be 49x squared. This would be minus 70xy. This one would be minus 70xy. And this one would be plus 100y squared. Okay, then combine the like terms. So you get 49x squared minus 140xy plus 100y squared. Okay, number 29. You have 3x plus 4 squared. So this is a perfect square. So just square this, you get 9. So 3 squared give you 9. Then you square this, you get x squared. Square the plus, you get plus. 4 squared give you 16. The middle term, multiply all this together, so the sign is plus. The number is 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Times 3 is 24. Alphabet is x. Okay, and that's it. Okay, 31. Okay, you have 5n minus 2n squared. So again, it's a perfect square. So square this, you get 25. Square this, you get m squared. Square this one, you get plus. Square this one, you get 4. Square this one, you get n squared. The middle term, multiply all this together, so sign is negative. The number is 2 times 5 is 10, times 2 is 20, and alphabet is m, n. Okay, and that's it. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, let's go to 33. Okay, you have x squared plus y squared times 2x squared plus 3y squared. Okay, so this is not a special product, so we just have to use a FOIL method. So you can distribute. So you're going to get 2x to the 4, distribute, plus 3x squared y squared. So that's the F, the O, and then the I would be plus 2x squared y squared, and the L would be plus 3y to the 4. Okay, then after that, combine the like terms. So this will equal to 2x to the 4, and this will be 5x squared y squared plus 3y to the 4. Okay, 35. We got 2x over 3 plus 1. We got 2x over 3 minus 1. Okay, so this is a conjugate. So let's go and multiply each matching part. So 2 times 2 is 4. X times x is x squared. 3 times 3 is 9. Plus times minus is minus. 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, and that's it. So you can conjugate, it's very easy. Okay, you just multiply each matching part. Okay. Okay. Oh wait, this actually no, this is 41. Okay, let's go back. Copy it wrong. Okay, let's not do that. Okay, let's go to 35. Okay, you got m squared minus 3n squared, and you got 4m squared plus 2n squared. Yeah, so this is a wrong problem. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's go back to 35. Okay, so you can distribute. So this is the first terms. So it'd be 4m to the 4, f, then O, the outside term, plus 2m squared n squared, and the inside term, minus 12m squared n squared, and the last terms would be minus 6n to the 4. Okay, combine the like terms. Okay, so you're going to get 4m to the 4 minus 10m squared n squared minus 6n to the 4. Okay, 37. Okay, you got 3x squared plus y squared times 3x squared minus y squared. Okay, so this is a conjugate. Okay, so this is going to be equal to 3 times 3 is 9. X squared times x squared is x to the 4. Plus times minus is minus. Y squared times y squared is y to the 4. And that's it. Okay, 39. You got x squared plus y squared squared. So this is the perfect square. So you square this, you're going to get x to the 4. You square this, you're going to get plus. You square this, you're going to get y to the 4. Okay, so you can square each part. Then multiply all this together to get a middle. So sign is plus, the number is 2, alphabet is x squared, y squared. Okay, and that's it. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 41. You got 2x over 3 plus 1 times 2x over 3 minus 1. Okay, so again, this is a conjugate. So in conjugate, you have to multiply the matching part. Okay, so 2 times 2 is 4. x times x is x squared, 3 times 3 is 9, plus times minus is minus, 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, and that's it. Okay, 43. You have 2 minus x over 3 squared. Okay. So first you square this, you get 4. You square this, you get plus. And you square this, you get x squared over 9. Right? So again, x squared, you get x squared, 3 squared, you get 9. Okay, then after that, you multiply all this together, so the sign is negative. The number 2 times 2 over 3, so it'd be 2 times 2 is 4 over 3, and alphabet is x. And normally you put the x on over here on the side. Okay, again, double check the sign is negative. The number is 2 times 2 over 3, right? 2 times 2 times 1/3 give you 4 over 3, and alphabet is x. Okay, and that's it.